Having trouble activating your Tesco Mobile eSIM? You're not alone. Since the 2023 relaunch and transition to the O2 network, some users have experienced hiccups. The main problems revolve around activation failures, QR code issues, and device compatibility. Let's tackle activation first. If you're stuck at activation, especially after updates to iOS 18 or Android 15, try these steps. First, restart your device. A simple reboot often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. Network congestion, especially in busy areas, can interrupt the activation process. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of the Tesco Mobile app, version 4.5 Plus. This version has reduced activation failures significantly and is required for QR code downloads. If your activation hangs, particularly at 99%, try rescanning the QR code after restarting. Finally, if none of these work, contact Tesco Mobile's support. They have virtual assistants ready to help in real time. Activation success rates for Tesco Mobile's eSIM are around 85% according to Uswitch, so don't give up. If the activation issues arise from QR codes or device support, let's dive into fixes. If the QR code won't scan or you get a corrupt QR error, ensure your camera is clean and the lighting is good. Try rescanning the QR code via Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, as cellular signals can sometimes interfere. Also, clear your phone's cache and update the OS before trying again. If still facing issues, download the QR code again via the Tesco Mobile app, version 4.5 Plus. Regarding device compatibility, ensure your phone supports eSIM. Generally, iPhone XS and later, and most Android flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus are compatible. However, older models lacking eSIM chips won't work. Verify your IMEI compatibility on Tesco's website to be sure. If you have an older Samsung Galaxy S20, be aware that some users have reported activation failures despite compatibility claims. In these cases, escalate to Tesco or O2 for refunds or SIM swaps. Remember, 25% of eSIM issues stem from QR code problems, so double-check everything. By 2027, eSIMs might fully replace physical SIMs, so getting these kinks worked out now is important. Contact Tesco's 24/7 helpline or use O2's compatibility checker if problems persist.